Alright, people, welcome back to Royal Escapes, where I'm turning my home into a palace. And today I'll be destroying this door. Okay, no, I'm just joking. I won't be destroying the door, I will be repainting it. And trust me, this one's gonna be a quick one, quick and easy. You can do it, me can do it, we can all do it together. So let's look at this door up close and personal. I squeezed a little glue in some of those open gaps. Water damage caused the door panels to be separating. It's a really good door. It's solid wood, heavy as hell, but I didn't want to get rid of it just yet. I did some work on it. That's where I took off the door hardware and I'm gonna seal up this hole with a piece of wood. Alright guys, so let's get into this one. Alright, so now it's time to fill that hole. Make a circle. Yeah, just a little circle. There we have a circle. And now we're gonna get really old school with this one. Yes, guys, it's a hacksaw. I'm using the hacksaw to cut the circle. I don't got a router and nothing else to cut this way, nor a jigsaw. So yeah, real old school. Wait for it, wait for it. I put down the hacksaw. What am I doing? What am I doing? And there we go, that piece is gone. Don't ask what I did. I did something and now it's gone. But guys, this is back-breaking stuff. And whatever you do, don't look at my knees. Don't look at my knees. You know what? Let's take away the temptation. There we go, guys. We're sawing, and it's gone. Oops. There we go. Now we're sawing, and we're doing some more sawing. Yeah, it's kind of hard to hold this down, but I'm gonna work it out. I'm working it out. And we're still sawing. Wow, this is taking longer than I thought. But we're still sawing, and guys, it's my fingers, not yours. Oh, guy, don't destroy the camera. Oh, there we go. And we're sawing again. My fingers, not yours. Remember, guys, don't try this at home, kids. And we're still sawing. Okay, when is this gonna end? Ooh, that one's close. Oh my gosh, it's so close to the finger. Don't cut the finger. Oh, okay, we didn't cut the finger. Okay, and there we have it. A circle. Now I'm just gonna flip my sander upside down and just sand this into the closest thing to a perfect circle. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're sanding, we're still sanding. Tilted to an angle and we're still sanding. Now we're gonna test it. That's not working out, so we're still sanding, Okay, alright. This is getting boring. Enough of this. On to the gluing. Yeah. Now as you look at that. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. There we go. There's that glue falling all over the floor. Yeah. There it is. And there goes my patented glue spreader. Guys, don't ask me where I got it. It's copyright. Only for me. There we're squeezing some more glue. Catch it, catch it. Oh, yes. There we go. Spread it all around. That's my patented glue spreader, guys. It's only made for me. Don't ask me where I got it. Now we're going to fit this circle into this hole. Oh, there's that pop. And now we're going to tap it in. Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. Okay, this taking too long. Where did I go? Come back. Come back. Oh, there we go. Tap, tap, tap. Mm-hmm. And then we're flush. That's what I'm talking about. Now let's wipe it off. Come on, guy. Where are you? Okay, so we're wiping it off. There we go. Nice and flush. Now we're gonna fill in these holes with my little scraper. Mm-hmm. We're filling in these holes with that plastic wood. But I quickly moved on to my multi-purpose spreader. Yeah. Don't again guys, don't ask me where I got it. It's copywritten, made only for me, especially for me, and it's doing such a great job. So don't ask me where I got it. It's only for me. And we have this entire door to do. This is gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. Okay, enough of that. Let's sand. So right now, guys, I'm just gonna sand off the extra wood putty and give this door a scuff sand before I paint, because there was a varnish finish on it before. So we gotta scuff it up, and I'm hitting this with 80 grit sandpaper, and watch that putty disappear. Yeah, there's still some gaps left there. I did go back with my patented spreader and spread it in, and then sand again. And watch that wood putty disappear. And I have to do this to this entire door on both sides. Okay, let's prep for paint. So I'm just gonna use this scrap wood as a makeshift foot for the door. You'll see in a couple of seconds what I did, but I just screwed it into the same holes that the hinges were attached to. So I don't have to bore any more holes in this door. Smart, ain't I? And now let me whip out my new toy. Yes, guys, I got a new toy. Brand new toy. It's a paint sprayer. Yeah. Yes, guys, I got me a paint sprayer. Making quick work of this door and anything else I have to paint. So, as you can see, those scrap boards are on the block, holding this thing up straight, which was a big mistake because I had a lot of runs. Next time I do something like this, I'm gonna have to put this thing as flat as possible so I don't have so much running. It was running all over the place. You think it was a 100-meter dash? It was running all over the place. But look how quickly I got this painted. So quick. Using this paint sprayer was something new. I had to get the viscosity right. It took a little while to get it right so I could spray. For those who don't know what viscosity is, it's the fluidity of the paint and how well it goes through the paint sprayer. You have to get the right viscosity before you can do that. And it took me a while. I took a couple of tries, but I finally got it done. And I gave this 3 coats of paint, and I did back brush to get rid of those drips, all that runniness. I had to get it out. And now we're gonna hang this door. A lot of people tend to think that hanging a door is hard. No, it's not. It's not. I just use those same scrap boards as wedges. You can get angled wedges. I just use these regular boards and put them underneath the door so I could get it as straight as possible. The hinges were already in the door jamb, so I just screw them back in, and there we have it. The door is swung. Now we're going old school with this. This isn't a modern lock. This is a mortise lock. Literally the easiest door lock to put on. Literally. The spaces are already cut out. Holes are already drilled. All we gotta do is push stuff into holes. That's just it. And I'm done. Okay, let's go. This is the insert, first insert, the locking mechanism, and that's a pin. Put the pin through the locking mechanism and you're done. Okay, no, you're not really done, but this is where I realized I had a problem. This door was either swung on the wrong side or I got the wrong lock. But that bevel edge should be going towards the jam, not away from the jam. So I'll have to change that. But as you can see, the pin slips right into the hole, right through the door, and there's another section on the lock that you just slip it into as well. Let me see if I can get a better angle here. And you just push the lock on, or the handle at least, not the lock, the handle. And that's pretty much it. The holes were already drilled because the previous lock was another mortise lock. So all I did was just reuse the same holes and screw it in. Yep, that's it. Just screw it in. And we have ourselves a completed door, guys. Wait. Okay, I still have to do the back part. I forgot about that. Yeah, we still have to do the back part. Alright. Anytime today, son. Okay, we're done now. And we're testing it. The door closes. Even though the bevel is on the wrong side, it still closes. And the door closes. Okay, wait. We gotta test the key. See if it works. Mm-hmm. Yep, it works. And we're done. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you refinish a door. It's not the best job. I just really wanted to pretty it up. I may eventually end up changing the door. But that's just a little first into how you can do it yourself. It's a DIY page. Do it yourself. If you don't have the money to buy one brand new door because they're expensive, just do it yourself. Scan it, paint it, hang it up. That's it. So thanks again guys for checking out my page and stay tuned for more awesome projects from Royal Escapes as I continue to turn my home into a palace. Bye.